What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. I do apologize about the wind noise once again. Hope you guys are having a great day out there. We're over here at our favorite beach park, none other than Ligate. Kiddos are doing their daily exercise. We just did our little walk. They did their skating. Now they're running from palm tree to palm tree, guys. Look at that. Woo! They're pretending that the driftwood is our guns, so they're going off. Look at that, guys. Ooh, look at this excavator over here too. But yeah, fortunately it looks like you can't swim over here yet. We do miss Ligate dearly. Look at yeah, we can't wait for it to open up. This place, look at that. Oh my goodness, check it out, guys. Look at that. Woo. Yeah, this place needs a cleanup. But I'm thinking they're not cleaning it up now because, you know, we're still on a lockdown, unfortunately. But this is how it looks like, guys, with no people here. Look at that. Woo. Yeah. Just a whole bunch of driftwood. It comes like this when there's you know, flash flooding, and comes down from the river, which is right over there. It goes down to the ocean here, and then finds its way all along the shore here. Jess, what are you guys doing?
Huh?
What you guys doing?
Playing?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Don't go right there.
Hey, don't, hey, get away from there, son.
Ah.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. We were expecting some good news or some new news today, since we hit a milestone that the county wanted us to hit, May 3rd, but no big news. So morale is a little bit low. But we'll get through this, guys. Together. Jess, what are you doing?
The harvest knife.
Alright.
For the nice one.
Jess is harvesting. I can't stay out here too long because the
Is
mosquitoes.
the mosquito is gonna eat
The
you.
mosquitoes are gonna get me, guys. Big time.
Yeah, plenty more. Mm-hmm. Put my stuff up, my bitter melon right there. I'm gonna mix it this one.
So Jess is harvesting. What is this you're harvesting, Jess?
Sweet potato?
Sweet potato leaves, right, Jess?
Leaves, yeah.
Right there, guys. Oh, here. You can take from Facebook too. Ready?
What?
Hey, hold on.
Oh, may black eye. Looking down.
Okay, ready? Hold on. Trying to do two things at once, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, ready? Uh-oh, he has a stick. Hey, we have sticks, you know. No, not you.
That's the doggy.
Alright, guys. Here it is. This is what Jess harvested. Nice.
This is mine. I'm going this.
Alright, Jess. So Jess got the tomatoes right here. And she got some onions. What you gonna? Oh, what else are you gonna mix, Jess? What else are you gonna mix?
What's that?
Mungo beans?
Mango beans.
Mungo beans, guys. Here it is, guys. Some mung beans.
Ito may ginger.
Oh, you got ginger too, Jeff?
I harvested it down.
Oh, that's our ginger?
Yeah,
Nice, Jeff.
that's the organic one. Love it.
Organic ginger?
Yeah.
Oh, got some organic ginger over there, guys. Check it out. Alright, guys, the mung beans are in the pot. I see you already, son.
Oh, wow. This is older. It's hard. Hi, sauce. I gotta take it off the seeds. It's a bit small yet, and then.
Maybe you need a sharper knife.
No, that's hard. I'm gonna take it out the seeds in the middle.
Son, I'm filming, okay?
See? Take it out that.
Okay, Jess is removing the seeds, Jess. Is that it?
Mm-hmm.
Be careful, baby. Oh,
That's
my
a
goodness.
hard seeds. This one, okay?
Oh, it's hard seeds. Okay.
Okay. They're smooth.
It's okay. It's free, honey.
I know. It's free.
Yay! Now Jess is cutting it. Cutting, what is this? What kind of leaf again, Jess?
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato leaves, guys. Jess is cutting it up here. Look at that. Good job, Jess.
No, there's some 80 between Korea and America. Hello? Where are you?
Yes, we're here. We're still making the stuff. You need more soap. I'm making like tomato. Oh, sige.
Yeah. We learn it back home because English is compulsory back home. Back home, you go to school, English is...
Hi, Jess. What you doing?
Cutting this meat.
Oh, you're gonna include meat into this thing too?
Yeah, I need meat.
Oh, okay. I thought it was just gonna be strictly vegetables.
No. I need meat.
Oh, okay. So we got pork? Is that pork?
Yes.
Alright, guys. We got pork on deck. And here are the ingredients, guys. Some of the ingredients. Ooh. Put the beans on deck here. Alright, Jess. my goodness. It's scaring me over here. I'm going to start on it. Alright.
So in 1917, you had a horrible the Spanish flu going out. So much has been written about it. Now, of course, it starts. Everybody that writes a book about the Spanish from 1917 it killed between 100 and I guess 50 to 100 million people. It probably ended the First World War. It was the worst the world has ever seen that we know of. We have something that's different. It's not as powerful, but it's far more contagious.
The fire.
In regards to the nursing homes, one of the questions that came to my mind when I watched the Comfort leaving Manhattan and the Javits Center, why were these people next to each other like this in nursing homes? We have this excess capacity and beds. Why would they sit there?
So on that one, you have to ask the governor and the governor because all I can do for them is this. They're running their state. And you understand that that's what they should do. They run their state affairs and obviously that, bring it down to level and bring it down to a point. But we provided 10,900 beds for the convention center. On top of that, we ordered Comfort. They did a phenomenal job. And the Comfort wasn't meant for the COVID people. The Comfort was meant for people that had car accidents, something else, and after an accident, because they were the accident. But because of
You have to cook it with
Okay, we're gonna cook the meat, guys.
the tomato. And then the garlic, the ginger. Later, the onion. Cook it with tomato.
That's the dog. Gimme mommy. Gimme mommy.
Yummy, 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 guys.
Yummy, yummy.
Gimme my bee. Gimme my bee. Gimme my bee. Gimme my bee. Oh,
Okay, so we got some chicharron.
I'll just go mix it with that one. A little bit, just a little bit chicharron.
Okay,
That's enough for
we're
me.
gonna mix some of these pork grinds, guys.
Mix a little bit.
I'll give you an egg. I'll let you.
Alright, guys, the onions are going in.
Yeah.
Hashtag. I don't know. It's a bad name. It's bad. Yeah, it's not lovely.
Alright.
So,
Fine,
I'll
I'll
put
try
that.
to put lovely again. What? It's gonna have tag.
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper, guys.
Enough.
Guess what?
And I'm gonna put a little bit garlic salt.
Garlic salt.
Yeah.
Lovely. Look, look, look. 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 Wow. And then maybe.
So taste a little bit of garlic. And that's it. Yummy. The beans and the
Alright,
beans.
guys, the beans are going in now.
Yeah.
There they go.
And then we go add water.
We're gonna add water.
Using this one, the same thing, because this is clean already. Put there. In the beans. Okay, that's it. Then we're gonna go wait until they boiled.
Wow, look at that, guys.
Anything besides and my legendary pets.
Wait until the boiling.
Alright, guys. There goes the bitter melon with some, they call that pork grinds, guys.
Pork rind.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna put salt. Where's my salt? Salt.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Whoa, some salt. Can I take a picture of it now or not yet?
It's not no more the vegetable.
Oh, yeah, sorry about that.
That's the last one.
Okay, I'll wait for that.
Look, yeah, legendary.
Alright, Jess, what's going in?
Huh?
Alright.
This one.
Sweet potato leaves are going in, guys. Ooh, look at that.
Okay, done.
Hope you guys are enjoying this episode of Jessie's Cooking Corner. Ah, that looks good, Jess.
Wait for the boiling that one.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much it, right Jess?
That's it.
Just gonna boil it for what, maybe 5 more minutes or something?
Yeah, until they got soft the stuff, the
leaves?
yeah, the leaves.
Okay
I'll put
guys, there we
underneath.
go.
Underneath.
What do you say, Jess? What do you say?
Hmm?
What do you say?
Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bottom down. And then likes. And don't forget to comment too.
Yay!
And please
Alright.
share our video, please.
Share.
Share, yeah.
Okay guys.
That's about it. Aloha.
Alright, aloha. Aloha guys. Catch you guys on the next video once again. Hope you guys like this episode of Jessie's Cooking Corner. Peace out.